around a second with about 8 laps to go. Kyle digs in, goes after it, comes up short. Congratulations to Christian Eckes. Said today was all about redemption.
Well, he's got enough for a little burnout.
Taylor doesn't.
Taylor's out. Unbelievable.
Oh.
Well done.
Stop to say
Consistency. Think he's just going to keep burning it down until he's out, boys?
Runs out of fuel or tires. One of the
One or two.
Either that or he gets really dizzy.
Remember Zane Smith last year literally burned it down. He was on fire.
Congratulations.
Ty Majeski third. Connor Zillage. What a day for that young 17-year-old. Making his Truck Series debut. Hangs on to fourth. And Ross Chastain brings it home fifth. Mr. Heim time, Corey Heim today.
And that's what victory feels like. Swept the whole race.
Max points in both stages and gets the win. You don't see that happen too often. That's just how dominant.
Most people didn't think that was possible to win that second stage. Have the strategy to pit after the end of the second stage, but that truck was strong enough to pull it off. Yeah, he can win on the road course. He can win on the short tracks, the mile and a halves. He has no weaknesses, Adam.
You know, Phil, after qualifying, maybe just a little bit concerned about the Toyotas. And you said, no, Mike, they're set up to race. And that's exactly what we saw tonight. Looking over their shoulders here, they got their cell phones out, video and all this celebration for Ross Chastain, the burnout.
Of the year for him. Nick Sanchez with a great restart, ends up second. But it's all about the Melon Man.
A lot of drivers that needed a good finish.
Fifth. It's all behind Corey Heim, who's won for the 8th time in his career.
Holy crap, what a truck, man. I mean, make my job easy, huh? Hell of a job, guys.
His 3 wins this season have come in the last 6 races.
Team is on the wall like that, Joey, and they can celebrate with you.
It is a lot of fun. Well, there's nothing like winning, really. It's really the one part I enjoy about racing. Really, is we don't do this for fun at this level. It's about winning, and you know.
Has joined his father Scott as a winner in the Craftsman Truck Series. Scott did it 5 times, the first of his Bristol.
And then coming back and getting the spot. That's last to first. That's what last to first looks like right there.
And he led the most laps of the night to boot, like 64 laps.
still really, really proud of the job that Ben Rhodes and his team did.
It's just great. He did everything he could do.
Yeah.
But they were able to survive, advance to the round of 8. The door is open, and he jumps right through, winning at Talladega and going back to Phoenix.
And his 194th start. Grant Enfinger, the 39-year-old from Fairhope, Alabama.
All those playoff drivers say, man, if we can't win, go Grant, go Grant.
On the bottom of your screen, nobody else is officially locked in. Next race, next Friday night from Martinsville. That will be elimination night. One more opportunity to join Grant Enfinger and burn it down.
Not losing this race obviously was very important, but winning the next one would be.
There was a lot of contact, but nothing egregious like we talked about. Just do it.
I would call it a little bit over the line.
I'm the third driver from Wisconsin to win a truck title, joining Johnny Sauter and Travis Kvapil. Burn it down, Ty Majeski. You are a NASCAR champ.
That sound is the rev limiter too, by the way.
He does not care. The thrill of victory on the right and the agony of defeat on the left.
But what an outstanding year for that young man, Corey Heim. 6 wins. The most of anybody in the series.